So if you have a Galaxy S26 Ultra or if you're a Galaxy user, so there are multiple free apps that you guys might be missing out. Today in this video we'll check out those free apps that you guys should must try out. So the first app that is on the list is available with the name of Remind Link. So as the name says it is a reminder app for the links that you copy to your clipboard. For example, if I copy a link on my clipboard, then you can set a reminder for it. You can select the date and time, at what time you want that link. After selecting the date and time, you can also select whether you want to repeat it or not, then simply tap on Update Reminder. And then on the selected time and date, you will get a reminder like this. And then on the selected date and time, you will get to see a reminder like this for that link. After tapping on that reminder, you will be going onto the website of the link that you just copied. Now let's move on to the next app. So the next app is available with the name of Sweep. So most of the users usually capture the screenshot and they just sit in their phone storage, just consuming the storage. With this app, you can take a screenshot, then select the timer that for how long you want this screenshot to be saved in your device. When you will go into the app, then tap on queue, you will get to see that for how long this screenshot is available on your phone. You can also extend the lifespan of the screenshot, or you can simply delete it, or you can keep it forever. You can also select a global auto delete that after how long you want to delete your every screenshot that you capture, then it will not show the pop-up of deleting timer. But I personally use this timer as it gives you multiple options of 1 week, 1 day, 1 hour or 5 minutes. Now moving on to the next app. So the next app is a wallpaper app for your lock screen and home screen. So this app is available with the name of Depth X and it gives a depth effect of your wallpaper lock screen. It has many pre-made wallpapers for your lock screen available. You can also further customize them as well. If you don't have the premium, you will get to see an ad. Then you can select the wallpaper and apply it on your lock screen or home screen. There are multiple free options also available if you do not want to purchase the premium one. But if you purchase the premium one, there are multiple custom depth wallpapers option also available. If you talk about the collection, so it has multiple collection as well of wallpapers, and after selecting it, you can apply it on your home screen, lock screen or both. After applying the wallpaper, your previous clock won't disappear, so for that, go into the settings, then from here tap on this hide system clock. From here select Samsung if you're a Samsung user, then simply follow the steps over here. After following these steps, your system clock will be hidden and you will get to see a Depth X wallpaper on your lock screen. And that's wrap for today's video. These were some apps that you guys should try out on your Galaxy S26 Ultra or your Galaxy or Android phone. So let me know your favorite app in the comment section below, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.